No matter how cold it is, there's always that one guy that's wearing shorts.
So we ended up having some unexpected downtime, but it was much appreciated. Jose and I were right outside of Chicago in a town called Ottawa in Illinois. We took advantage of it by checking out a local pub, grabbing a slam burger, and checking out some craft beers. We still were waiting to be dispatched on a load, so we figured that we would be able to further our downtime by booking an Airbnb and catching the football game. So go Birds.
This is I'm only going to have one starter pack. Alright guys, we're at Court Street Pub in Ottawa, Illinois. This was that Revolution Straight Jacket Barley Wine. This is a 10-ounce glass for $8. Mind you, that's the flight. Those are either 4 or 5-ounce glasses. Jose got 2 of the straight jackets and then 2 others. Their flights are only freaking $10. So you could do the 2 4s, 3 4s. You could do a whole flight of the straight jacket and have double the amount of beer for only $2 more.
You see? Men.
Yeah, semen. He says it all the time.
Men.
Semen.
Men. We think. You see? Men.
Yep, I see semen. Okay, bye.
By the time game time comes and they don't find no load for me, bus, we're gonna go rent a place. We wanna stay in that place if it works out. I'd rather just be comfortable.
So this is home for the next couple hours. We're able to get the semi in the driveway here, which is pretty awesome. Let's check this out. We are in Lemoyne, Illinois. This cute little house here. It's an Airbnb property. We're in. Let's run away together. Yeah, that's pretty much what Jose and I just did. Put everything in storage. That's cute. So the owner of this property calls it the Cookie Cottage, which is a cute name, and yeah, describes it as vintage, which it really is. Let me see if I can find the light switches. There we go. Oh, that's sweet. Enjoy your stay. Amber, when you see this, thank you for renting out your home to us. Yeah, Lemoyne, Illinois has a population of 700, which is definitely a small town. I thought we were originally from a small town from Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey, or just South Jersey. Everybody in South Jersey knows each other. What's funny too is this, the Airbnb host coincidentally knows somebody from our hometown. Very nice. It's very nice when an Airbnb host has like a local guide. We have Alexa over there. The shower comes through this way. Oh. If anybody knows me, I used to have chickens, so I think this is adorable. I miss owning chickens. So yeah, this is the basement. Cute.
their shower. Very nice. Keratin and vitamin. Oh, that's probably good shampoo. That's awesome. And, you know, and for this being a basement, it is not musty at all. It's still warm down there. All the lights. They have their garage. Nice little farmhouse feel. Here's the lights for living room. Looks like they have a fireplace. Which, if that is something that we could use, I'm definitely gonna check that out today. It's a perfect day for it. It's cold. Anybody born after 1992 know what that is? Oh, well, isn't that cute? The birthdays. All right, let's see, my birthday's February 24th. Let's see if somebody has, are we sharing a birthday? Oh, 26th, that's close. February 3rd, my mom's is on the 4th. February 1st, oh, Ethan and my niece have the same birthday. So that's pretty cool. Let's hang these back up. And then Jose is June 8th, so let's check out the June birthdays. June, close. Sue is on June 12th. That is so cute though, I love that. Oh, it's nice and warm in here, this is cute. Ugh, the bed is comfortable. I haven't been on an actual bed in weeks. We've been trucking for, yeah, 2 weeks now. So it just feels like longer. Nice twin room. Very nice. Very clean. This house is very, very clean. And a bathroom. This is adorable in here. That's it. Cute, quaint little cottage. Just perfect for us. We're only gonna be here another night. And then hopefully tomorrow we actually get a load out of Illinois headed somewhere. We'll see where we end up, but yeah, let me I'll get Jose and the dog and our belongings and settle in for the night. And we should try to find the football game, have that on, because that's the only way I'm really gonna get Jose out of the truck, because he's watching it on his phone right now. Yep, Eagle's already up. Woohoo! Except that wasn't a legal catch, so we got lucky. But I'm gonna be hearing about that for a while. Come here, Pupper. You see another dog. Oh, it's another shepherd. Oh, Ford just wants to play. No. I know. Door, come. Come on. So I was wondering why it was called Cookie Cottage, and then reading through the pamphlet, Nana Cookie. I love that. Such a nice way to keep your grandma's memory alive. And beautiful family. I love the, I really do love all the personal touches that you guys kept in this house. Definitely nice and cozy, and it's nice for us to feel like we're in a home instead of a semi. Or a hotel room. My Eagles are going to the Super Bowl. Can't even celebrate it too much because whenever there's fun to be had, dispatch just has to call and ruin it. We have been sitting in Illinois for 2 days. Well, I guess now a day and a half. It's after 5 o'clock on a Sunday. We thought we had the day, but we're wrong. We can't even afford to refuse this load because of all the other delays that we've had, and it's ridiculous. So we are now going to take advantage of, you know, a shower at the Airbnb that we rented for the night. But we're gonna pack up our stuff and hop back in the truck. So, cute house, love the house. The host was absolutely wonderful, very quick to answer, very, very clean house. 5 stars. Just wish we had a little bit longer to enjoy it, but got to sit on the couch and watch the game. It's just the little things, you know? Oh, fly, Eagles, fly. On the road to victory. Eagles fly. Score a touchdown. 1, 2, 3. Hit 'em low, hit 'em high. Watch all Eagles fly. Fly, Eagles fly. On the road to victory. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! Love my birds. Anyway,
to the Eagles fans, they are going back to the Super Bowl.
Not even going to be able to watch the next game to see who we're going to be facing in the Super Bowl in 2 weeks, but hey, highlights. So, time to have a shower, pack up, and on to the next venture. Hi, Cookie Cottage.
As soon as I go right here,
You got the marker for that's how much snow they get, huh? Where they got the steak has to be on top of the fire. Since you're saying you're gonna do it so fast, I'm just gonna record it in slow-mo.
I can't. I have to
capture the moment.
I have to reset my eyes. I have to reset my eyes. See, I can't. It burns. You hating on me?
Well, you
hating?
you did it. I mean, you winked one eye and then the other.
I know, but I did it so fast earlier that it looked like both of them closed at the same time.
Because you were blinking.
I did
and
not do
winking.
that. Look, watch. Alright, I'm gonna get my eyes ready. Ready? Alright.
Hey, stop rubbing them. Rubbing them is gonna make it worse.
Stop it. Tell me what to do. I know my eyes.
Yeah, what color are they?
Brown, because they're full of shit, right? That's what you gonna say?
You said it.
No, you said it.
I didn't
Your
say
joke
it.
is old.
So
Ready?
what are you?
Watch how fast. Look at that. You see how fast I was? Look.
It's your slow-mo. Go ahead, do it.
fast that was.
Lincoln.